Now in this problem, you have to find the torque of a force F given by I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap about a point O. The position vector of point O of application of force about O is vector R is given as 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, right? So you have to find the force. So as we know, what is force? This force is equal to R cross F. It is cross product of arm vector and force vector. So R cross F we can write it as R is 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, and cross this is I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So this is the force. So we can solve it as this force will be equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, right? पहले R वाला लेंगे तो R क्या है 2, 3, -1 and then force, so it is 1, 2 and -3, right? Now let us expand the determinants. So आप जानते हैं determinant का expansion हम क्या करेंगे कि सबसे पहले this much I cap, और I cap में हम क्या करेंगे कि जिस रो में I होगा उस रो और कॉलम को ढक लेंगे तो 3 into -3 that is -9 और 2 -1 -2 और -2, so this will be equal to +2 I cap, right? So this will be +2 I cap, right? Again this is minus और जिसमें ये j cap होगा तो that will be j cap. तो देखिए इस j cap को हम लोग कवर करें तो दिस इज 2 3 जा -6, दिस इज -6 and this is -1, so this will be equal to +1, right? And similarly plus k cap, right? This will be k cap. तो k cap में क्या होगा? दिस इज 2 2 जा 4. अब ये k जिसमें है उस रो और कॉलम को कवर करेंगे तो दिस इज 2 2 जा 4 -3, so this is 4 -3, so this will be equal to -9 plus 2, that is -7 I cap, and देखिए this is -6 plus 1 -5 plus 5 j cap and plus 4 -3 1, so plus k cap. This will be the answer.